Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the Cybersploit 1 machine from VulnHub, a beginner to intermediate level box that's perfect for sharpening your ethical hacking and CTF skills. We'll cover everything from network enumeration, vulnerability scanning, exploitation, and possibly privileges escalation. Whether you are practicing for OSCP or just want to boost your pentesting game, this walkthrough will guide you step by step. So, you can download the machine from VulnHub. I have already downloaded and also I have configured in my virtual box. Let's start the machine. First, we need to identify the IP address of the target machine on our network. This can be accomplished using the netdiscover command or arp-scan-l. So I already know the IP address of my target machine. I will start with the network scanning part. We'll use nmap tool. The scan reveals that only a few ports are open on the target machine, that is port number 22 for SSH, port number 80 for HTTP. Let's copy this IP address and paste it in the browser. It displays a web page. Let's check the view page source. At the line number 48, I have found one username. To dig deeper, we use dirb to enumerate possible files and directory on the web server. The derbs can return a list of files and directories available on the web server. Let's check in robot.txt. So there is something encoded. So by decoding this, we have found the first flag. Also, we have username. Let's try to exploit port number 22, that is SSH. Password, I will use this. Let's try. The SSH login is successful and we now have access to the target machine as the user it sskv. Let's run the command ls-la. We'll check there is flag 2.txt. Let's read this file. So here again it is encoded. Let's decode this. So we have decoded this from bytes. Format I have used as binary and group by again bytes. So in text format I have got good work. Flag number 2 we have found successfully. Let's copy this. So we are on the last step, that is privileges escalation. Privileges escalation is the process of gaining higher level permission on a system, typically to achieve root access. We start by checking the kernel version of the target machine, which could potentially expose vulnerabilities. So command is uname -a. The command output reveals that the target machine is running an older version of the Linux kernel. Such older versions are often vulnerable to various exploits. We'll check for exploit. Here it shows that how we should use this exploit. We need to compile this and we have to run this exploit. After running this exploit, we will get the root by running the command id. We'll check. I will download this exploit. We host a simple HTTP server on our machine to transfer the exploit code to the target machine. For that, I will run python 3-m http.server and port number 8080. So to transfer the file, I will use wget http://system IP address. So our system IP address is 192.168.0.112. Port number we have given as 8080. And name of our file. So exploit is transfer. The exploit is written in C, so we compile it using GCC on the target machine. I will give the name as exploit. So we have compiled the exploit which we have downloaded. Execute the compiled binary to attempt privileges escalation. Before running, I will check the file. It has read-write execution permission. The exploit successfully escalate our privileges to root. We can check it by running the command id. So now we are root user. With root access, we navigate to the root directory. So we have retrieved the final flag successfully. This walkthrough detailed the process of exploiting the CyberExploit 1 machine on VulnHub. We started with network scanning to identify open services. Here, by running the command nmap. Then we moved on to the web application enumeration, which we have pasted the target IP address on our browser, where we cover important clues leading to SSH. Finally, we escalate our privileges by exploiting a known vulnerability. Ultimately gaining root access and retrieving all the flags. This exercise highlights the importance of systematic enumeration, persistence, and the ability to leverage known vulnerabilities in achieving penetration testing goal. Thank you for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be solving Moneybox machine, which is rated as easy. Objective of this machine is boot to root. We need to get 2 user flag and 1 root flag. This room contains enumeration, password cracking, steganography, and privileges escalation. You can download this machine by using this link. I have already downloaded it and my machine is running. Also, I have power on my Kali machine. Let's log in. I will create a directory by machine name. Let's start with scanning. We can see that port number 21 service running is FTP open. Port number 22 stand for SSH. This also port is open, and port number 80 service running is HTTP. This port is also open. Also, we can see that for FTP, anonymous FTP login is allowed. So I will start with port number 21 FTP. Name I will give as anonymous. Password also anonymous. I have successfully logged in into FTP. ls. We can see that there is one image file. We will download this image file by using get command. And I will exit from FTP. Just to verify, I have successfully downloaded the file. I will check what details are present in this file by using exif tool. So I couldn't find any sensitive information. Next, I will run stack hide. So to extract data from image file, we need to enter passphrase, which we don't know. Also, port number 80 is open by nmap results. Let's visit. Here also we cannot find any sensitive information or anything which will help us further. Let's try to do enumeration. U stand for URL. -w stand for word list. I will use directory list 223 medium. So we found one endpoint, that is blog. Let's visit it. I am Tom Hacker. I already hacked this box and informed, but they didn't do any security configuration. If you want hint for next step. Okay, let's try to do view page source. There is one comment. The hidden is in another secret directory is secret text. Let's visit this directory. there is nothing in this page. Let's try to do view page source. So in comment, I have found secret key. This could help us with passphrase. So we have extracted the data. Hello Renu, I tell you something important. Your password is too weak, so change your password. Don't underestimate it. So by reading this, I come to know that there is a username called Renu. Also from our nmap scan, we know that port number 22 is open. Let's try to brute force password. For that, I will use Hydra. We know the username. We don't know the password. I will give the word list as rocku.txt. Within a minute, we got the password. So let's log in into SSH by username Renu and password 987654321. I have successfully logged in into SSH with Renu as a username, ls, we have found the first flag. I'll just note it down. By running sudo l, we cannot run as root. So I will check the directory. So there is one more username called Lily. Let's go in that Lily directory. We have found the second flag. Let's check for hidden file. Let's check what is there inside bash history. So we have the authorized key, so we can log in through Lily. Now I have logged in through Lily. Let's check. We have sudo privileges. User Lily may run the following commands on Moneybox. So it has all the permissions. No password will be asked for service running Perl. Also, I will list down the SUID services. So this is the command to find SUID files. We'll run this command. So by running this command, we can find SUID services. Also, GTFO bins will help us for privileges escalation. So no password will be asked if we run any Perl service. So I will run this command. Okay, this command doesn't help. By running Python command, Python ttyl shell, we can make our shell stable. So I will try some another. Let's try to run this one. Okay, now we are root. Let's go in the root directory. So we have successfully found all three flags. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will solve the VulnHub machine, that is sunset noontide. So without a further wait, let's get started. First, I will start the VulnHub machine. Let's wait for a few minutes to boot up. So our machine is up. Let's fire the terminal. We need to find the IP address of our vulnerable machine. For that, we will run the command arp-scan-l. You can also run the command net discover. As you can see, we have found the IP address of our vulnerable machine. Let's stop it. We will note down the IP address. Next, we will find open ports. So for that, we will run the command nmap. Nmap-a stand for aggressive, and we will paste the IP address. We will wait for a few minutes because this will take time. I have found IRC port, that is Internet Relay Chat, and IRC port is an application layer protocol that facilitates communication in the form of text. The chat process work on a client-server internetworking model. We have IRC version Unreal 3.2.8.1. Next, I will run the search exploit to find out any exploit available to the service. Next, we will run the search exploit command to find out any exploit available to our service, that is Unreal 3.8.2.1. Search exploit Unreal IRCD 3.2.8.1. So we have got three exploits available, but we are interested in the first one because we need to get the root access. I will fire up the MSF console. -q stand for quiet. I will type the command search Unreal IRCD I will use this exploit, use 0 show options. Okay, I will set the our host, that will be our vulnerable IP address of our machine. Also, I need to set the payload. So for that, I will type the command show payloads. So I will use the payload of its number, this one. I will copy it, set payload again, type the command show options. So we need to set the L host, which means our system IP address. So our system IP address is this. We'll copy it, set L host. So I will write the command run. I will run the command id. I have got the id. Who am I? Okay, server. ls space la / home. Okay, ls hyphen la / okay, ls hyphen la / home / server. Next step is to escalate the privileges. While trying to do so, I guess the password for root as root su root. ID. So I am in the root. ls space la / root. Next, I will run the command cat / root / proof.txt. And we got the flag. It was very easy machine. Hope you find this walkthrough useful.